In this video, student, we will see how we can modify the table column, how we can delete the table column, as well as how we can copy records from a table, as well as how we can remove records and drop table. Fine. So let's go to the editor to check which table is available for us. So the table empinf does not have any data before we remove the data from there. So better to try with another table, that is emp1. So emp1 has the structure. How? Let's check first. Yes, the structure is like this: empno, name, gender, salary. Salary has the size 9,2. Now I want to reduce the size. It means I want to make the modification. I want to make the modification in a column. So how can I do that? By writing alter table, then the table name, that is mp1. Fine. Then I can write the command or the keyword, that is modify. Then salary, I want to modify the salary column. Then the data type, that is decimal. Then within bracket I can specify 7,2. Before it was 9,2. Before I have shown you here, it is 9,2. Now I am trying to modify the size of the table to reduce or to enhance. Both we can try for a column. So let's see. Yes, 8 duplicates is showing, warning is 0. It means the job is done. So let's try by typing describe emp1. Let's check. Yeah, it become 7,2. Fine, students. So this is how the alteration for modification can be done for a table. Now let's remove a column from a table. Fine. So we are having 4 columns here. So before removing, let me add one column. Then I will show you how we can remove it. So alter table emp1, the table name, add what? We want to add, suppose, remark column. So remark, then I am giving here character and 10. So I am adding a column at first. Thereafter I will show you by removing it. So here I add a column in the name of remark. Now this remark column I want to remove, as our concept is delete a column. Fine, delete a column. So what we need to write? Alter table, then the table name, that is mp1. Then we can write here drop remark. Fine. So remark is the column name and drop is the keyword we need to write. So now after removing, let's check whether the table get updated, table structure get updated or not. Yes, it get updated. There is no remark. Before there was remark column here, remark field here, and now there is no remark column row, no remark field. Fine, students. Now let's see the next concept, copying. So what this is copying does mean, suppose if table has 5 records and the same 5 record I want to copy to table itself. It means the content of a table I want to copy to the same table. The content of a table I want to copy to a same table. So in that case, let's check first how much data we are having. Select star from emp1. Now check how many records we are having. 8 records are there. So now I want to apply the concept that copying the record of a table with existing content. It means there will be some content, as we are having 8 number of records, and the same 8 number of record I want to add to the same emp1. Okay, so what we need to do, let's go to the editor and try insert, because for adding record we are having the command insert. So insert into emp1. Fine. Then select star from emp1. We can copy from some another table also. The data. Only thing, we should have the similar structure. With the structure of the both the table has to be similar. Fine. So let's press enter and check. Now how many number of record we are having, students? 16 rows. Understood? It means the content of emp1 get copied to emp1. So emp1 has 8 records. So again another 8 comes to it and it becomes 16 number of record. Understood my point? If you want to understand this concept more nicely, so let me create a table with the same structure. Okay, at first I am seeing the structure of the emp1. Now I am creating a table in the name of emp2. Okay, so create uh, emp2, create emp2 I think it is G there, so let me 0 emp2 emp0, create table emp0. Then we will create at first what, empno, that is int2. I'm just copying from here. Okay, so because the structure has to be totally similar. Without having similarities in structure, you cannot copy, students. So it should have similar structure, then only the copying can be possible. So gender character 1. Okay, as it is in emp1, same I'm just duplicating. So salary decimal, that is how much, 7,2. So make 7,2 and press enter. So now we are having a table in the name of emp0. So let's check, is there any data in emp0 or not? Is there any data? No. But in emp1 we are having 16 records. So those records I want to copy to emp0. Fine. So the command will be what? The command will be what? Check here. Insert into. So where it will be inserted? It will be inserted to emp0. It will be inserted to emp0. Okay. And the content of which database, which table, sorry, will copy to emp0? Content of emp1. So that is fine. So now press enter and check the data of emp0. How many records you are having now, students? 16. Before you don't had any data. So this is how, if a structure of the table is similar, then we can copy the content of one table to another table. Okay, this is the concept we discuss here. Now, how can I remove the records from a table? How can I remove records from a table? Suppose I want to remove entire record of emp0. So I can use delete from emp0. So this is how, pressing enter, entire thing of emp0 will get removed, and it is showing here empty set. It means there is no record now in emp0. Fine, students. Now suppose I want to partially remove. Now though I don't have any data in emp0, so I have to work with emp1. So let's check first how many records we are having in emp1. emp1 has 16 records. Now I want to remove the records whose salary is more than 9,000, more than 9,000. So partially, that is what partially. So delete from emp1, where I can use where clause, where salary more than what, 9,000. So I can specify here the condition. So accordingly, only 8 records get removed, as 8 number of records having salary more than what, 9,000. So check it, check the command, check the select command and check all removed whose salary is more than 9,000, students. Fine, remove. Now at last we can practice drop command. So the drop command helps to remove the record as well as the table permanently. There is no way so that we can recover our data. Fine, students. So how can we use that command? Simply drop table and the name of the table, that is suppose emp0. Done, gone. So now let's try seeing the structure of the emp0. Is it showing? No, it is showing that emp employee is our database name. Employee.emp0 does not exist. It means no more emp0 is there, neither structure nor any record of it. Fine, students. So whatever we have written here, all we discuss practically. Hope all of you understood nicely then.